Tagalog alphabet and sounds. In my channel, I will use the terms Tagalog, Filipino, and Philippine interchangeably to minimize redundancy. This is the Philippine alphabet. The reason why it looks familiar to you is because it includes the English/Roman characters, all 26 letters. However, the Filipino alphabet has 28, so we have 2 letters in addition to 26. These 2 characters are found after the letter N, namely NE and NG. On this page, let's talk about the letters in 3 groups as well as their corresponding sounds. First are the 8 consonants we derive from foreign alphabet. With these letters, we either pronounce them the way they are spoken, say in English or Spanish, or we pronounce the words in Filipino way. Let's read the examples. C for cable, F for fax machine, J for jet, NE for La Nina, Q for Quezon City, Quezon Province, V for vase, X for X-ray, and Z for zoo. On to the second group of letters are the vowels, which correspond exactly to the English and Roman vowels. Now, let's talk about the sounds. Tagalog pronunciation is pretty straightforward. For vowels, when used in words, the sounds can be short, long, or glottal stop. What sounds do these letters make in Tagalog? I will say each of the sound twice. Here we go. A, e, e, I, o, u. Please be aware that when used in speaking, the pronunciation of the following sounds are sometimes used interchangeably. The sounds between e and I, as well as o and u. To avoid confusion, pay more attention to the pronunciation of the entire word where these letters are used, rather than the subtle differences in sounds. On to the last set of characters are the most commonly used Tagalog consonants. Please note that we do not apply aspirated sounds. If any, the puff of air is slight. I am about to say the sounds that these letters make with a as the ending sound. I will say each sound twice. Here we go. Ba, ba, da, da, ga, ga, ha, ha, ka, ka, la, la, ma, ma, na, na, nga, nga, pa, pa, ra, sa, ta, wa, ya. Moving on to the next page. Let's talk about Tagalog sounds that are applied in words. As mentioned previously, we have 3 types of vowel sounds, namely long, short, and glottal stop. On the left are words having long vowel sounds on the first syllables. These syllables are underlined on this page for emphasis only. The same reason for glottal stop, which we mark with apostrophe. Under each word is the English equivalent. On the right are words with short vowel sounds, either with or without glottal stop. The words on both sides are pairs of homographs. Now, I am about to read each pair of homographs twice. Here we go. Baba, 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 basa, 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 buhay, 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 bukas, 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 pito, 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 tayo, 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 That's the end of our discussion about Philippine alphabet and sounds. Bye!